Lawful permanent residents, are you planning to apply for citizenship or naturalization? If so, here are a couple of tips that may be helpful as you move through the process. My name is Christopher Gaston. I'm an immigration attorney in Stuart, Florida at the Gaston Law Firm. Planning for naturalization is important. There are new requirements and vettings that are happening related to naturalization that you should consider prior to submitting your application. One, the government has said that they're going to be looking back at anybody case who has applied for naturalization to make sure that their residency was issued in conformity with the laws at the time and the current laws. They'll also be looking to see if there's anything that's happened since you become a lawful permanent resident that suggests you should either not be able to maintain your residency or you're not eligible for naturalization. One great way to make sure that you know what the government is going to be reviewed is by obtaining a copy of your immigration records. The Freedom of Information Act requires that the government provide individuals copies of the records the government has related to their immigration case, and they're generally provided free of charge. It does take some time to get these records, usually a few months, so planning in advance is going to be important. However, this is a very important tool for you to protect yourself through the naturalization process. This will give you or your attorney an opportunity to review all of the documents and maybe do some issue spotting, seeing if there's anything related to the process in which you obtained your residency or any events that have happened since you became a resident that may impact your ability to become a citizen. Also, it will help your attorney or help you determine if there's anything in your immigration history prior to your residency or after your residency that may mean that you are not able to maintain residency or place you at risk of being removed from the United States. Reviewing your immigration records is also a good idea if you are thinking of international travel and you're going to be out for a significant period of time. Making sure that nothing in your immigration records prevents you from coming back in is a good idea. If you have questions about the naturalization process, you want some help getting your immigration records or analyzing your immigration records, contact my team at Gaston Law Firm. You can reach us at 772-219-0101, or you can find us on the web at www.gastonlawfirm.com. At the Gaston Law Firm, we are building American futures.